Welcome back to my channel. This video is mainly for students preparing for next year JAMB 2026 through 2027 JAMB UTM exam. Okay, I know most of you are coming from my WhatsApp group next year JAMB by waiting group, right? In case you have not yet joined my WhatsApp group, you can see my WhatsApp number on the screen. Try this number on WhatsApp. I will add you to the WhatsApp waiting group for next year JAMB. Okay. Now, the main purpose of uploading this video is to clarify a lot of things, like I've been receiving a lot of DMs, a lot of messages, because most of you, I believe, this is your first time of preparing for JAMB, right? This is your first time, so you are somehow scared, and you have been hearing a lot of news, a lot of updates. You have been seeing a lot of things going on in the online space. So how to maximize your score, your preparation, a lot of things. So this video, I will answer all your questions. Okay, so be calm, and please, before you start watching this video, make sure you are with your writing materials. I getting your pen and a book. Okay, because um I'll be mentioning a lot of things, so you have to jot them down, okay, for future purposes. So it is very important and compulsory. So make sure you are with your pen and a writing book, okay. For you to prepare effectively for any exam, there are things you need to put in place. You can't just wake up one day and you said, okay, I want to write exam. No, it's not done that way. You have to be prepared. Are you getting it? You have to be prepared. You have to be informed. There are things you need to put in place. Are you getting the point? So for you to score high in JAMB, now one thing you should understand is JAMB is very different from JAMB UTM exam is very different from your normal classroom exams. Are you getting it? So the way you use preparing for your normal classroom exam, if you are using like uh, a hour to prepare for your normal classroom exams, if you want to prepare for exam, you have to increase your studying time. I getting it. So if you are using 1 hour to prepare for your normal classroom exam, you have to use like 2 to 3 hours to prepare for JAMB UTM exam. Now, for you to maximize your score, for you to gain a lot of confidence and other stuff, one thing to do is to start early. Write it down. The number one thing you need to do is to what? Start early. Now, this is a pioneer of everything. Early preparation is very important. Are you getting it? This is a pioneer. This is the starting point of JAMB. Yes, I will make mention of JAMB because this video is mainly for candidates preparing for next year's JAMB. Okay, so this number one, starting early. Are you getting it? Starting early is a pioneer of everything. This is starting point. Any exam you are preparing for, you have to start early. Early preparation is very important. Why? Because it will help you to maximize your confidence. Are you getting it? And it will help you to to cover up, because JAMB syllabus is very broad. Are you getting it? So for you to cover up, you must start early. If you start preparing 2 weeks or a month to JAMB or more, I'm telling the simple truth, you won't cover a lot of things. It's just in form of stressing your brain. Are you getting it? So if you want to score very high in JAMB, you must what? Start early. Early preparation is very important. That's why if you are listening to all these top scorers, all these top JAMB scorers, you notice that the number one point they usually make is I started early, and most of them they are even mentioned that their teachers started preparing them right from SS1. Are you getting it? Right from SS1, no, right from SS1. Most of them that their teachers started preparing them from SS2 or SS3. Now, if you want to maximize your score, like if you want to score above 280, 300 plus or 250 plus, you can't just use a month to prepare for JAMB. Are you getting it? JAMB is not your mate. JAMB is not your normal classroom exam. JAMB questions are being set by professors and lecturers and trained personnel. So you don't expect like what is chemistry option A? No. No. So if you want to maximize your score and you want to score very high, you have to what? Start early. Early preparation is very important. That's why when looking at your textbook, let me make use of chemistry textbook. Looking at your chemistry textbook alone, you will see that you can't just use one month to cover up everything in that chemistry textbook, isn't it? Because you have a lot of topics, and under one topic, we still have subtopics, examples, calculations, everything. So if you start early, it will enable you or help you to cover a lot of things. Are you getting it? So early preparation, that is the pioneer of everything. Okay, you have to start early. You have to what? Start early. That is number one thing. Number two is set a target. Oh, very important. You have to what? Set a target. Setting target is very important. If you say you want to get A in a particular subject, even when you are tired, you will encourage yourself to study because you what already set a target. I get me. So setting a target is very important. Now, what is your target for next exam? Do you want to score 250? Do you want to score 300? Write it down. Write it down. If you want to write it very big, if you want to print it out, write it, go and print it, go and go to any cyber cafe and print it out. Let it be big, very broad. Just place it in front of your room, or like in form of, let it be in form of wallpaper. I get it. Let it be that anytime you enter your room, you are seeing that 350, you are seeing that 250, or you are seeing that. Don't even dream of scoring 200 because JAMB of 18 is very competitive. I guess because of JAMB questions are not that easy, but don't worry. So don't even dream of scoring 200. I guess even 250. Don't dream of scoring 250. But your least score should be what? 250. That is lowest. So if you are going for medicine, pharmacy, nursing, all these medical courses and engineering, here, you have to at least let it be from 280 upward, 280 upward. Because a lot of students, the same way you are preparing for next exam, that is how other students too are preparing. I get me. So it's just in form of a big competition. Okay. So fight for your score. So the first one is what? Start early. The second one is what? Set a target. So make sure you write it down. Do you want to score 250? Is it 300? Is it 280? Is it 350? Is it 400 over 400? Set a target. Write it down somewhere. I get me. Write it down somewhere. That is your target. Very, very important. Very, very what? Important. Write it down. Okay. So after writing it down, the third thing is create a study plan. I get it. Create a study plan. Now, I'm a university student, so even here we have timetable. I get it. You don't just wake up a particular day and you sit down and say you want to no, you'll be confused. You have to create a study plan. A study plan means your timetable. Create a timetable. Okay, today from 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. I'll be studying biology. Then I will take a break of like 30 minutes. I guess in it. Then from 2 p.m. to just set it. Just set a studying plan. I guess in it. Just set a studying plan like your studying timetable. Okay, you can draw it yourself. Okay, know when you are free. Okay, studying timetable is very important. I get it. You can't omit this one, you can't skip this one. It's very, very vital. I get it. Try to create your own studying timetable. If it's chemistry you want to study, like if it's chemistry you want to study from 1 p.m. to 2 p.m., then it's fine. I get it. So try to create your own studying timetable. You can draw your studying timetable on your own. I get it. Yes, you can do everything by yourself. Take just this thing, tear out a piece of paper. I get it. Tear out a piece of paper, then let it be a long note. I get it. Let it be a long note. Draw it well, then know when you are chance, okay? So you can do everything yourself. I get it. So studying time to be very important. It will enable you to be focused. Yes, it will enable it will also help you to uh to know what subject to read after this particular time. I guess me. So try to create a studying timetable. I guess me. So the number four thing is get familiar with JAMB syllabus. Now, very, very important. I guess it. Now, one thing you should understand is the whole of that textbook you are holding. Let me use English textbook. The whole of that English textbook or the whole of that accounting textbook or chemistry textbook, note that you are expecting only 40 questions. Are you getting it? Now, each student will be writing four subjects in JAMB. Are you getting it? Each student will be writing how many subjects? Four subjects. Meaning English is compulsory for both art and science and commercial. English is what? Compulsory for everyone. Okay? English is compulsory for everybody. So then the next, then the rest, these interest subjects, you will select them based on your course. I get it. So if you are going for medicine, nursing, pharmacy, med lab, radiography, microbiology, biochemistry, all these medical related courses, you are writing chemistry, physics, English, and biology. Maths is for engineering and computer students, but from time to time, I'll be dropping all the subject combinations, okay, in my group, in my WhatsApp group. So if you are not here, join my WhatsApp group. Make sure you shout me up with this number you are seeing on the screen, okay? So I will add it to the group so you'll be updated from time to time. I get it. So you have to be familiar with the JAMB syllabus. Now take note, all those your textbooks you are seeing, all those big textbooks you are seeing, you are expecting only 40 questions, but English is 60. I get it. The rest three subjects you are expecting 40 questions, but English is 60 questions for everyone. I get it. So a total of 180 questions for 2 hours. Are you getting it? A total of how many questions? 180 questions for what? 2 hours. So you have a very limited time. I getting it. So you have a very limited time. Answering 180 questions for 2 hours is not easy, because if you're writing physics, you will come across a lot of calculations, even chemistry too. So if you're writing maths, maths is only calculation now. So you have to what? Manage your time very well. So that is it. So get familiar with the JAMB syllabus. So I will drop the JAMB syllabus in the waiting WhatsApp group. Okay, so make sure you join that group if you are not yet joined. Because the whole of that textbook you are seeing is not every topic they will set question from. I guess in it. It's not all the topics. Because most of the topics, if you are not familiar with the JAMB syllabus, you'll be reading topics not knowing that you won't be seeing any question from that particular topic. I get it. So um JAMB syllabus is just in form of guidance. I get it. It will guide you to study topics where you'll be seeing questions. I get it. So you won't be wasting your time studying unnecessary topics. I getting the point now. So make sure you get familiar with the JAMB syllabus. Okay. So take note, I will drop it in the waiting WhatsApp group. So if you have not joined, this number, shout me up. So I will add it to the WhatsApp group. Now the next thing is gather study materials, okay, recommended textbooks. Now most of the students don't even have textbook. That is so like it's not encouraging at all. You call yourself a student, English textbook, you don't have, chemistry textbook, you don't have, physics, you don't have, and you are telling me you are going for a science course. How do you want to pass? Are you getting it? How do you want to pass? Like, I don't really understand. You call yourself a science student, math textbook, you don't have, chemistry, you don't have. See, what your teachers are teaching you is not enough for you to pass JAMB. That is the simple truth. It's not enough. It's not enough. You have to figure out and study things on your own and seek help. That's why these online lessons are coming. I get me. So please take note. So there are recommended textbooks. Let me show you one textbook, okay, for the science aspect too. Okay, are you seeing this textbook? Look at this textbook. Look at this textbook. This is Ababi chemistry. This is chemistry textbook. I don't know if you are seeing it too. This camera. Okay, this is Ababi chemistry. I believe most of you have seen this chemistry textbook, right? You see how it is, right? It's very big. This is called Abavio chemistry. We call it new school chemistry textbook. I get I getting it. New school chemistry textbook. Okay. So all these are recommended textbooks. Okay, because and take note, most of the textbooks you are studying, you won't even see questions from there. That is it. You won't see any question from there because JAMB recommend some textbooks, not all. I get me. So if you are studying outdated textbook, you're on your own. I get me. So if you're a science student, any textbook you want to buy, eh, go for um new school new school textbooks. Those are the recommended ones. I get it. If you're going for chemistry, buy Ababi chemistry, new school, the one I just showed you. Then if you're going for physics, buy this thing, new school physics. New school physics. I think I have it here. Oh, the back. But you know new school physics is very big. Very big. So that is it. I guess for the physics aspect, go for new school. Biology, go for essential. Or if you don't want to buy essential, go for this thing. Is it Idodomen? But even that biology textbook too is very good. But I will advise, I'm your tutor. I know what I'm doing. So chemistry, go for Ababe chemistry, go for Ababe chemistry, which is new school chemistry textbook. Okay. Once you get to any shop, just tell them you want to buy Ababe chemistry or new school chemistry textbook, then new school physics, then essential biology. English to buy essential. But if you have comprehensive on essential physics and chemistry textbook is still good. I get it because this is a chemistry textbooks I'll be using to tutor you guys. I get it. So that is for that. Okay. So even if you don't have any of the textbooks, just be calm. I'm here for you. Okay. So don't be scared. Number 6 is join a study group. It's very important. Join a what study group. You can't do everything on your own. No. Because most of you, all because you are taking first in your classes, said, oh, I don't need the help of anyone. I don't want to join any studying group. I don't want anyone to tutor me. I can do it on my own. Don't worry. Once you get to jump all, don't worry. Once you come out from UTME exam all, you will know the importance of lesson. You will know the importance of lesson. Now we have passed through this process and we've understood how the questions are being set. I getting it. So you have to join a study group. It's very important. You have to join a study group. Are you getting it? You have to join a study group. Now, and most of you, your foundation in chemistry, physics, math, like your foundation is very, very bad. Even for you to answer a simple question in physics or chemistry, you will like to just be in form of battle to you. To answer one question in physics alone, it will take a lot of time before you can attempt question. Okay. And JAMB questions are very difficult and confusing. That is simple truth. So you have to join a study group. That's why this online lesson groups are very important. You have to join one. You have to join one. Very, very important. I getting it. So take note of this. Number 7 is practice past questions. Now, one thing you should understand is all the questions, almost like 90% of the questions you'll be seeing in your next exam and everything, they are repeating past questions. But they won't just write that past question. That's why most students will most of the previous students, they just cram the past questions, cram the answers, thinking that John will just bring out exactly that statement and the options. So they cram everything, go for the exam. When they come back, they will complaining. Ah, Omo, I not see anything. Though. Yes, why go see something where you cram? So you think all these people that are setting these jam questions, they are like they don't know what they are doing, Abi. So he went and crammed past questions, went for the exam, come back and complaining that I didn't see anything, I didn't see. Why you go see something? You know we see, you know we see that is for true. You know we see. So stop cramming study to understand. I get it because all all the questions you'll be seeing, like all the questions, like almost 90% of them are past questions. I get it. But the only thing they will do is they will try to change the statement. Are you getting it now? They will change the statement. They are in form of testing you if you really understood what you've studied. Are you getting it? So stop cramming and what? Join a WhatsApp group and be prepared. Okay. So my jam lesson is starting next month, August 31st. So in case you have not joined, after watching this video, make sure you shout me up, okay? Okay, so past questions are very important. Past questions. So I'll be dealing with everything once the lesson starts. I get it. So you scoring high, it's sure. So be willing to learn and be prepared. Okay. Now, master time management. Okay, this master time management. Okay, let me talk about this time management. Time management is very important. I get it because I've said it before. I said you are using what 2 hours to answer 180 questions. So you have to be very fast in calculation. You have to be very fast when it comes to answering jam past questions. Sorry, answering jam questions. Yes, both past questions and this in present questions. So you have to be very fast. You have to manage your time when you are in the exam hall. Okay, so getting closer to the exam, I will still talk about this time management. Okay, so that's for that. Now the next one is focus on weak areas. Now most students are fond of doing this. You just focus on topics you are familiar with. Most of you you watching this video, you have your like you have a particular topic you are good at, right? Or this topic I too like but what of the other topics? So you are leaving those difficult topics and focusing more on topics you love, right? One thing you should know is John will set questions round. Are you getting it? Yes, John will set questions round. So if you are focusing on topics you like or you love or more, you can't score very well in jam bracketing. So you have to focus on a weak point. Those topics that are very difficult to you, you have to work on them. That is why early preparation is very important because you still have time to work on those your weak these topics. I guess it. So you have to work on them, perfect in them, okay, so that once you come across questions in those topics, you will easily attempt them and move to next question because JAM will be setting questions all around. I get me. So don't expect JAM to be setting questions based on the topics you know. No, that is not it. I get me. JAM will set questions from all angles. So take note, work on your weak points. I get me. Work on your weak points. Those topics that are giving you headache, work on them. That's why lesson is very important. You can't do everything by yourself. Okay. Now the next one is stay consistent. Now consistency is the key. Consistency is the key. Most of you will study today. Tomorrow you will not study. In the next 2 weeks you will not study. Now this brain has a way of working. This brain can only remember things you've studied consistently. Are you getting it? So if you study today and in the next 1 month you fail to study, this your brain will forget like almost like 90% of this 90% of the things you've studied. I get it. So you have to be consistent. You have to be consistent. So once you are consistent, you what things will be very easy for you. Okay, so you have to study every day. Tomorrow. That's why I said you have to what um create a study plan or a study timetable. Okay, so this period, don't allow your friends to discourage you. Hey, for your mind, you still get time. No time, oh, no time, no time. From the starting point of this video, I said something. I said most of these high scorers, when they are being interviewed, they make mention of something. Early preparation, right from SS1. You yourself, you have graduated from secondary school. You have few months to jam, and you are still playing. Abi, okay, oh, and you know your foundation is very bad, and you are still playing. So you think to score 350 or 200 above or 250 above, you think it's easy, right? Okay. So this period you have to be very consistent. Okay. So once the exam lesson starts, you have to be very serious and be ready to learn. I get it. So take note. Okay. Inform your parents. So inform your parents that exam lesson is coming. Okay, down lesson is coming, or you can show them this video. Okay, you can show them this video. So take note, consistency is a key. You have to be consistent when studying. You have to study every day, even if it's 1 hour, 2 hours. You have to be what studying every day. Okay, so take note. Now the next one is stay focused. I get it. Now you set your target now. You said you want to score 300 or you want to score. You said you want to score 300 or you want to score 350. That is your target, right? Now you have to what focus. I get me. You have to focus. You have to set your mind. Yes, that is the score. That is the least score I want to achieve in my next year exam. I get it. So you have to focus and be consistent. I get it. Don't allow your friends to distract you. Very, very important. Okay. Don't allow your friends to distract you. See the way my voice don change abi, I don talk tire. So take note, you have to be what consis ten t, at the same time be focused. Okay, tell your friends I'm preparing for an important exam next year, so please, when I'm studying, don't distract me. Most of you, all your friends are the unserious types. You guys are not even encouraging each other to study. The only thing they know how to do is to call you, let's go and play, let's go and play football. I'm not saying playing of football or having time to play is bad, but at least have time to study. Your studying time is your studying time, your playing time is your playing time. There is time for everything. Are you getting the point now? So try to figure out all these things. Okay, so that is the point I'm making. I get it. So the next one is stay positive. Okay, take away fear. Now most of you, this might be your first time or might be your second, your third time, your fourth time of preparing for JAMB. You have to what take away fear. I get me, because fear, this fear of a thing, even after studying, you are still encouraging this fear. You have to pray, oh Lord, take away fear from me. I get me. So the Lord will help you, don't worry. So take away fear and be positive. Like any negative thought, try just drive it away. I guess need negative thought, drive it away and be positive minded. Take away fear, okay? You will pass very well, so don't worry. Now the next thing is get enough sleep. Now don't over stress yourself. I get it. Okay. Once you study to a particular point and you notice you are getting weak, you are tired, take a rest. I get it. Just take a break and sleep. Get enough sleep. Okay. So know your weak point. If you know you are you are very good, um try to figure out during the day period and the night period, when it comes to these two areas, try to figure out your your weak area. If you are good at studying during the day period, then make use of that day period very well. But if you are good at studying at night period, then make use of night period very well. I get me. So you sleep and have a very good sleep. Okay, like at least 2 3 hours is very important. Get enough sleep so you have time to do house chores, then have time to study. I getting it. Then the next one is seek help when needed. That's why I said you can't do everything on your own. I get me. Seek help, seek help, seek help. Any question you don't understand, seek help. Okay, that's why the lesson is here for you. Okay, so take note. That's why the lesson is here for you. Okay, so that is not a problem. Then the next one is stay motivated. Okay, surround yourself with serious friends. They second to last. Okay, this is second to last. Stop waiting for motivational speakers to be motivating you. Get up, get up, get up. It don't pass. That time don't pass. I get in. This era, you have to motivate yourself. If not, nobody will motivate you. I get in it. Eh, you know, your parents will be spending money for your jam lesson, for your jam registration, and other stores. So the only thing they're expecting from you is to make them proud by scoring very high. Are you getting it? You know, most of it, you score like 300, 350 or more. Your parents, hey, they will buy you shawarma, they will buy you ice cream, they will buy you clothes, they will buy you trousers, they will buy you good clothes, isn't it? So, because that money they will be spending for your jam lesson and other stores. Please, your own is to what? Sit down, carry your two legs, your yansh, sit down for one place, study. They get them, abi? So stop shaking your yansh up and down. I get me. Stop shaking your yansh up. So try to sit down one place and study. I get me. Then the last one is review and reflect. After studying, you have to review everything. You have to what, reflect on it. Like try to meditate. I get me. If you study the definition of motion, after studying, after studying everything on that, after studying, close your book and try to meditate on things you studied. I get me. Meditation is very important. The more you meditate, the more the things you studied will keep recurring in your brain. I get me. If you are like if you're the type that meditate a lot, it will be very hard for you to forget things. I get me. After studying, if you're the type after studying, keep your book. Man go swallow fufu. Hey. Hey, so this is the end of this video. I believe you've gained a lot of things. You have been inspired and you've jotted down a lot of things, right? So, in case you have not joined my WhatsApp group, share this number on WhatsApp. Chat me on WhatsApp, okay? So I will add you to the group, okay? You will pass very well in next exam. So in case you're with your parents, you can show them this video. I guess it. You can show them this video. If you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe. Okay, subscription is free. You are not paying any money. Just click on the subscribe button and click on the bell. Then click on all. So anytime I upload a new video, you'll be notified. I get it. It's very important. Because this channel, I drop tutorial videos, lesson videos, okay, on both chemistry, maths, and biology. So subscribe to this YouTube channel. Okay, bye.